evening and good to have you with us here on The Last Word. We begin this show with some breaking news on the big development that we've been tracking here through the evening. Now, the wait for a new CBI chief has just gotten longer because the high-power selection panel met this evening, but they could not come to a conclusion, to a decision. Let's go across to Meenakshi Bhanja to get you some more details. Remember, this is the panel that consists of the Prime Minister, that consists of Mallikarjun Kharge and the Chief Justice of India. So, Meenakshi, what really transpired? Why is it that they were not able to come to a decision? I mean, that was largely the expectation that we'll have a name today.
Well, absolutely, Tanvi, and this is turning out to be so high octane. I mean, earlier in the day, we witnessed some drama in the Supreme Court pertaining to Nageshwar Rao, and in the evening, we have brought to our viewers details of this all-important secretive meeting. Because remember, there were only three people: Prime Minister of India, Honorable Chief Justice of India, and Leader of Opposition, who were privy to what was happening inside the meeting. And we are confirming to our viewers that there were about 70 to 80 candidates who have been considered. But in the course of that meeting, what was discovered is this, Tanvi, that the DOPT has sent a list of these candidates with only their respective dates of joining and dates of retirement. So, Honorable Chief Justice of India clearly pressed for further details to attain greater clarity about the merits, the background, the records of these possible candidates. And a likewise demand was also made by Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, which is why today's meeting has turned out to be inconclusive. It has been adjourned. These three will need to meet again sometime in the forthcoming week. We've been given to understand the date has not yet been fixed, Tanvi. It will be set by the PMO soon. And subsequent to that, when all these details have been made available by the DOPT, perhaps a greater deliberation process can be undertaken to arrive at some sort of a clarity about the best possible candidate who is fit for this job of Director CBI. Therefore, why this meeting is so important and why this has been pending is also because of this, Tanvi. There was one person, Honorable Chief Justice of India, who's played a very significant role, and also aided by Mallikarjun Kharge, who have ensured that perhaps the best possible candidate for the job is eventually the person who is recipient of this post of Director CBI, Tanvi.
Yes, absolutely. And, of course, there has to be a lot more of due diligence, and everybody needs to be a lot more careful this time, because look at the track record of the last 2 to 3 CBI chiefs who now face some of the other kind of charges or taint in some ways. So I'm sure these three, Prime Ministers, the Chief Justice and Mallikarjun Kharge would want to take their time, though it is highly unusual, Meenakshi, isn't it, to see or to find out that 70 to 80 names, that's a lot of names that have been forwarded. It's very, very unusual, isn't it?
Well, Tanvi, that was not the popular, perhaps, expectation, but indeed it has been confirmed to us that perhaps what will eventually transpire is this, that a list of another 12 to 15 names will be culled out from this list of 70 to 80. But today, the initial meeting did throw up 70 to 80 names for consideration, and it was noticed as to how they only had dates of joining and dates of retirement against these respective candidates, which clearly was something which was not fully satisfactory. And therefore, this particular, a demand has come by, rather, which will be fulfilled in the foreseeable future, where more details, more antecedents, more background, more, clarity about the claim to fame of each candidate is made available for the panel to really make an informed choice and arrive at a certain, consensus about the best possible candidate fit for the job. And it is so important, like you correctly pointed out, because this is a time that the agency is completely in the midst of a churning process. And we have heard from CBI itself why these en masse transfers are happening, why there is so disgruntlement for the CBI. They have come out with clarification just a couple of days back, saying that this is a larger part of the purging process. The Government of India has been on record to say as to how it was necessary for the midnight overhaul of October to restore the majesty and the integrity of the agency back to its original glory. So clearly, there is something amiss which has transpired in the CBI, and it is very, very important to put CBI back to its original, respectable position that it occupied.
Absolutely, Meenakshi. Well, there's something very interesting that's also transpired in this meeting this evening. Of course, there has been no official announcement post the meeting, but like Meenakshi said, another meeting is lined up, most probably next week. Meenakshi Banja, thank you so much for joining us with that update on this big story.